Good evening. You're watching our daily business news update on Prime TV. This is Prime Business. Let's take a look at tonight's Prime Business lineup. Ministry of Education rewards teachers and students together with Microsoft. Cargill's introduces 4 new ice cream flavors. Ministry of Education together with Microsoft rewards teachers and students for ICT innovation, celebrating the success of Year of English and ICT. The Partners in Learning Innovative Teachers and Students competition, in its 5th consecutive year, once again recognized the exceptional talents of innovative teachers and students island-wide and rewarded them at the National Award Ceremony on 14th December at the BMICH. The event was presided by the Minister of Education, Honorable Susil Premajayant, and graced by Additional Secretary Mr. S. U. Vijayaratne, Minister of Education, Minister of Education officials, Microsoft representatives and other dignitaries. This joint initiative by the Ministry of Education, the Education for Knowledge Society projects and Microsoft Sri Lanka is held across the country on an annual basis. The competition is designed to help motivate and recognize all teachers and students who actively use information and communication technology in their teaching and learning to create effective and productive learning experiences in their classrooms on a day-to-day basis. The main objective of this competition is to jumpstart the use of ICT in schools so that children become aware of the potential of IT from a young age, and also to encourage educators to adopt ICT as part and parcel of their teaching methods. Cargill's has launched 4 new irresistible ice cream flavors for this Christmas season. Cargill's Magic is launching 3 new mouth-watering ice cream flavors to usher in a mood of celebration and enjoyment this Christmas holiday season: fresh mixed berries, vanilla ice cream with jujubes and malt ice cream with chocolate flakes. These 3 scrumptious flavors add a delightful new dimension to the existing range of ever-popular Cargill's Magic ice creams made from real fresh milk that are becoming firm favorites in every household across the island. Each of these 3 new flavors introduces a thrilling taste that is heavenly and absolutely irresistible, instantly converting you into a loyal fan. Cargill's Magic ice cream has established itself as a distinct brand due to the rich and creamy taste and texture of the product, the secret of which lies in the use of real fresh milk. Daily sourcing and collection of fresh milk ensure the highest quality standards are maintained. Cargill's has even provided farmers with the necessary infrastructure and equipment to ensure safe and hygienic storage of milk, ensuring a consistent supply of fresh milk. By empowering the dairy farmers, Cargill's has succeeded in boosting the local dairy sectors by uplifting communities of farmers. Moreover, the Cargill's Magic ice cream plant possesses a slew of quality certifications, making it one of the most secure and safe food processing and production plants in the country. As the leader in the ice cream manufacturing industry in Sri Lanka, Cargill's Magic ice cream hopes to continue the magic and provide consumers the best in terms of quality as well as price. That's all we have tonight. Thank you very much for watching us, and good night to you.